Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to delete the calls from Messenger quickly and easily. Whether you want to remove the voice calls, the video calls, or clear the call history for privacy, Messenger is going to let you manage everything in just a few taps. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Messenger tab. Over here, look at the bottom menu and tap on the option of calls. So in the calls section, you are going to see all of your recent voice or the video calls, including the missed calls. So here, in order to find the call that you want to remove, if you are using Android, simply press and hold the call entry. If you are using iPhone, you just have to swipe to the left on the call entry. Here you will find the option of delete in the bottom. So tap on the delete option and this particular call will be removed instantly from your call list. Now if you want to remove the several chats or the calls on Android, you just have to long press on the one call and then you need to select multiple entries. After selecting multiple entries, simply click on the option of delete. If you are using iPhone, you need to swipe left and delete each one by one. Messenger doesn't allow bulk delete on iPhone yet, so you must remove them individually. Now if you want to clear the call history, you just have to simply select the specific conversation. You need to open the chat with them. After that, you need to look for the option of the profile of that particular person's name. Now simply just scroll down and select the option of clear chat. So this is going to remove the calls, the entries, messages and the media inside that chat. You can use this only if you want a full cleanup. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.